Sorry, Jake, Arthur isn't here.
I know, that's exactly why I came. I just want to make sure that you can grasp what's going to happen if there's no bond between Arthur and I. Try to convince you to show him to me, but if you don't want me to see him, then I'll accept that.
So well.
Sorry?
So you came all the way from the US to consider my feelings. And what if I tell you you can see him?
You gotta believe me. It was wrong to leave, but I want to make it up to you.
I don't want your help, Jake. I don't want anything from you. Not your money, nothing. I've been on my own all this time. And it wasn't easy, but I made it. And I'll be fine in the future, too.
But when I found out that you gave birth to a baby boy, I don't know, I can't explain, but suddenly I realized that was my son. Like my child born all the way across the world, like so tiny, vulnerable, lovable.
Jake, please.
I want to see my son. I want to feel him. I want to smell him.
I need time.
Time for what?
Time to get used to the idea that you exist, that you're here, that you suddenly forced your way back into my life. I can't think straight now. I need to talk to people about this.
I get it.
And if it turns out to be a no, then I'll hope you respect that.
One day, Arthur will want to know his dad. He will ask about me. I hope you respect that, too.
Ba-da-da-da-da.